everyone, how's it going? So we've been drawing a lot of different level 40 dinosaurs from Jurassic World the game. And for today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw a level 40 Ankylosaurus from Jurassic World the game. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 Ankylosaurus, I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to begin with the eye. All you need to do is draw a small little circle or oval shape for the eye. And then inside of there, you just want to add another little circle for the pupil. I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down like this. Then I'm going to bring a line that goes out, and it's going to come down. Then we're going to make it come to a point and bring a line up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to come to a point, and then it's going to curve up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out, and it's going to come down for the tongue. Then a little line that's going to curve up for the other side of the mouth. Starting right here, we're going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come to a point, and it's going to curve up for a little spike. And starting here, I'm going to draw another one that goes out, and that's just going to come down. Right underneath this spike, I'm going to make a little curved line for the nostril. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to go up. Then I'm going to bring it back, and then down like this. Starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up. Then I'm going to make one more that goes up, and then it's going to curve down. I'll draw another one, it's just a little curve. A line that's going to come up, and then one that goes up and then down. And then one more right here, a little line that curves down, one that goes up, and then we'll just bring it down to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down to about here. Then I want to make the leg. I'm going to start by making a line right here at an angle. Then we're going to start up here. I'm going to make a line that goes out, and it's going to come down here at an angle. We're going to bring it straight across. And right here we'll make another one that goes down and then over. Then starting here, I'm going to bring this line back up. And we're going to go up and curl down just a little bit. Right over here, we'll add another little line that goes out and then over for the other toe. Starting here, I'm going to go out and then down, just like I did on the other one. Bring it over. And one more that goes down and over. And we'll add one more little toe here. Next, just add some curved lines onto here to show where the toes are going to be, and add an extra little line right above them. We want to start here kind of by like the elbow. We're going to make another little line that goes out. Starting here, draw a line that comes down, and then it's going to come back like this. I'll add another little line right here. We'll make a line that goes down. It's going to come over. And then one more that goes down and over. I'll make a little line here that goes down and over. Next, we're going to make a line that goes up, and it's going to come over at an angle. And right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curl around here for the back of the leg. Right here, we'll make a line that comes down. It's going to go down and over. down and over to here for that other leg. And we'll do that same thing. We'll just add some little curved lines on here for the toes and another little line above them just to kind of show that the toe is sitting in there. We can add one more here too. Now, starting up here, we want to start adding some of the spikes. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here with these. First one, there's going to be a really tall spike that goes up. It's going to come to a point and then it's going to come down. Right here, there's going to be another really tall one that's going to go up and then it's going to come down. We're going to make another one that goes up and then down here. And then I'm just going to add a few more big spikes all around here. They're almost kind of like a shark fin shape. We're just going to make some that kind of have a curve and then come down. Then I'm going to make one right here. And then I'm going to put a couple more over here. Next, we just want to add a little curved line underneath these. And you just want to go ahead and just add a curved line underneath each one of these. Some of them are going to be in front of or behind some of these other ones. So we're just going to add a few little curved lines. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a row of spikes that come across here. These spikes are going to start out here, so we're going to go down, and then we're just going to curve around. And you're just going to continue these around. You can make a little bit different sizes. Some of them can kind of angle different directions. And we're just going to fill in this area around here with some different little spikes. So we're just going to kind of put these all around. You can see some are going different directions. And I'm just going to add a few right along here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a little line to connect to here. And then I'm just going to draw this down here. We're just going to connect all these. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it up to about here. Then starting back here by the leg, I'm going to take this line and bring it up to here. Now we just want to come in here and add some more spikes all around here. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to make a few different size spikes around here. Some are going to be a little taller, some are going to be a little bit shorter. And we'll just kind of fill up this area with a few of them. We'll put one more here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that connects all of these spikes together. We're just going to bring this all the way around here. Now, right along the tail, I'm going to add a few more spikes. We're just going to add these all around. Kind of up the length of the tail. Then when I get up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then it's going to come down. And I want to add a few more big spikes right around here. We're going to make them go all different directions. We're going to connect these lines here too. And we can put in a few more spikes around here. Now we have our basic shape. We just want to come in here and add some different details onto our Ankylosaurus. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to curve off some of these little lines, and I'm going to add an extra little line on here just to kind of show that they're sitting in the armor of our Ankylosaurus. So just a few little curved lines right around here. So I'm going to add just a few around here. And even a few right around these big spikes here too. Just a few little curves around here. I'm going to put one right here too. Now on the knees here, I'm going to add a couple little wrinkle lines and a couple on the elbows over here. A few little lines along the arms for some extra detail. And then even a few little kind of broken lines right along the tail area here too. I'm going to throw a couple little extra quick little lines along some of these spikes here. And I'm just going to kind of fill this up. Just nothing too crazy with these lines, just a few quick little lines just to add some detail onto all of these spikes. Some I put one, some I put two, just a couple little details on each one. I'm also going to add a few little spikes coming, or a couple little lines coming down here. I'm going to add a little line underneath the eye and a little line above it, with a little line kind of curves down here. A little line or two around the mouth, some kind of right by the head. A few little lines up here, maybe a few curved lines along the legs here too. And I'm also going to put a few more spikes right along the back here in some empty areas. And there you go. Here is your drawing of a level 40 Ankylosaurus from Jurassic World the game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.